Ever feel like top students are a different species? Like they have some kind of secret formula for success that the rest of us just can't figure out? Like they have secret meetings where they exchange tips on acing tests and charming teachers? Maybe they even have a hidden handbook filled with all the answers. Maybe they do, or maybe it's just a myth we tell ourselves to feel better. Picture this: a dimly lit library, hooded figures whispering equations, and a hidden stash of extra credit assignments. Sounds like something out of a movie, right? Okay, maybe not that dramatic, but there's definitely something going on. But there's no denying some students just seem to get it. They have this knack for understanding things quickly and effortlessly. They breeze through exams while we're stuck on question 1, scratching our heads and wondering where we went wrong. They finish essays before we even choose a font. It's like they have some kind of superpower. What's their secret? A magic lamp? A deal with the principal? Probably not, but it sure feels like it sometimes. The truth is, topper students aren't superhuman. They don't have magical powers or secret deals, they just know a few tricks of the trade, secrets passed down through generations of academic ninjas, techniques that anyone can learn with a bit of effort. Want in on the secrets? Ready to unlock the mysteries of their success? Prepare to have your mind blown. We're about to dive deep into the world of topper student strategies. We're about to unveil the top secret, highly classified, totally real, okay, slightly exaggerated world of topper student strategies. Get ready to take notes. Get ready to level up your study game. It's time to join the ranks of the top students. First secret: toppers are creatures of habit. They thrive on consistency and routine, but not the boring kind. Their habits are anything but mundane. Think less study schedule taped to the wall and more eccentric rituals that somehow work. These rituals are often unique to each individual. Some swear by studying upside down, improve blood flow to the brain apparently. It might look strange, but it works for them. Others chew the same flavor gum during exams. Associative memory, they claim. The familiar taste helps them recall information. One topper I knew swore by writing notes on colorful sticky notes, then sticking them all over his room. It was his way of visualizing information. His walls looked like a rainbow exploded, but hey, he aced history. The colors helped him remember key facts. The point is, toppers find what works for them, even if it seems a little unorthodox. They aren't afraid to try new things. The key takeaway? Don't be afraid to experiment. Your perfect study method might be something unconventional. Maybe listening to classical music while you study unlocks your inner Einstein. The right soundtrack can make all the difference. Maybe rewriting notes in calligraphy helps you remember them better. The act of writing beautifully can enhance focus. Find your thing. Embrace the weirdness. Become the mad scientist of your own academic journey. Your unique approach could be the key to success. Ever feel like there's just not enough time in the day? Toppers feel it too. But they've mastered the art of time bending. Not literally, unfortunately. Their secret weapon? The Pomodoro technique. No, it's not a pasta dish, though studying can make you crave carbs. The Pomodoro technique is simple. 25 minutes of focused work, followed by a 5-minute break. Repeat 4 times, then take a longer break. This breaks down daunting tasks into manageable chunks and keeps your brain from turning into mush. Another time-saving tip? Eliminate distractions. Turn off your phone notifications. Tell your pet goldfish to stop judging your study habits. The internet is a black hole of procrastination, so use website blockers if you have to. Focus is your friend. Section 4. Stress? What stress? The Topper's Guide to Zen and the Art of Exams. Exams. The very word can send shivers down a student's spine. But toppers? They've got this weird calmness about them, like they know the answers before the test even starts. Do they have ESP? Maybe. But more likely they've mastered the art of stress management. Exercise is a topper's best friend. A quick jog, a dance party in your pajamas, or even just a brisk walk around the block can clear your head and boost your mood. And don't underestimate the power of sleep. Pulling all-nighters might seem heroic, but it usually just leads to a sleep-deprived zombie staring blankly at the exam paper. Remember, your mental health is just as important as your grades. Take breaks, practice mindfulness, and don't be afraid to reach out for help if you need it. A calm mind is a focused mind. So how do toppers stay so zen? They have a few tricks up their sleeves. Exercise is a topper's best friend. A quick jog, a dance party in your pajamas, or even just a brisk walk around the block can clear your head and boost your mood. And don't underestimate the power of sleep. Pulling all-nighters might seem heroic, but it usually just leads to a sleep-deprived zombie staring blankly at the exam paper. Remember, your mental health is just as important as your grades. Take breaks, practice mindfulness, and don't be afraid to reach out for help if you need it. A calm mind is a focused mind. Section 5, Beyond the Books, The Secret Lives of Topper Students. Here's a secret. Toppers have lives outside of studying. Shocking, right? They have hobbies, friends, and maybe even a secret crush on the barista who makes their extra shot espresso. The point is, they understand the importance of balance. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy, and Jill a stressed-out student. Make time for activities you enjoy. Join a club, learn a new instrument, or finally start that underwater basket weaving class you've always been curious about. Having a life outside of academics makes you a well-rounded individual, and gives your brain a much-needed break from all that studying. It's not about neglecting your studies, it's about nourishing your whole self. Section 6, Unleash Your Inner Topper. It's not magic, it's strategy, so there you have it, the top secrets of topper students revealed. But here's the biggest secret of all, there's no magic formula. Being a topper isn't about being the smartest or the most naturally gifted. It's about finding what works for you, developing good habits, and approaching your studies with a positive attitude. Don't be afraid to experiment, to be a little unconventional, and to embrace the journey. You might be surprised at the hidden potential you unlock within yourself. Now go forth, my friend, and conquer the academic world. Just remember to come back and thank us, and maybe share some of those extra credit assignments when you're on the honor roll.